Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to be doing a new walkthrough. This one will be the home security bundle with products. Now this is a new type of video that I'm going to be doing, a walkthrough of CPQ. So let me know if you want to see more of these CPQ videos. Let's go ahead and get started. This one has 5 different sections, but I'm going to be putting the first 2 together, so let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so this one you're just going to sign in to or create a new developer organization. Salesforce and TRAILHEAD has a specific CPQ Trailhead, so I'm going to launch this. I've already created it, logged into it, so let's go ahead and launch it. And then verify for 100 easy points. I'm sure that you could also find another tutorial on how to do that, and I'll try and link that down below for you guys. Alright, let's go ahead and go to the next step. Okay, so this step we're going to be bundling together the different options and the different features. So let's go ahead and open this up. Let's go to products. Go to all products. And then we're going to go to the home security console. Now this is a specific bundle that we have, so we're going to go to the related tab. Alright, and now you can see that we have the different price books, the cost, the different options here. What we're going to be doing is adding more options to this. So let's go ahead and under the options, let's go click new. Alright, and then the next one we're going to find the door sensor. Number is going to be 10. This is going to be important because later we'll see this and we'll see why. We're going to click required. So every time you have this bundle, this door sensor must be there. And the minimum quantity we're going to add is 1. Alright, let's go ahead and save. This might take a little bit. Alright, so that's just the first one, and we have a list of, I want to say 8 more that we need to do, so bear with me and I'll go through and explain what all we're adding here. So let's go to, this one is going to be window, I can't spell today, window sensor. So let's add that. Number is going to be 20. And selected is going to be true. So the selected button, what that's going to do is it's going to automatically select it. We're not going to hit required, but it'll just be selected when you add this, and the sales reps can unselect it. Let's click save. All right, we're going to do another one. This one is going to be a motion sensor. And all we're going to do is add it. And the number is going to be 30. Next one will be the external or exterior camera. So we'll click that from the drop down. It's going to be 40 going along. But we've already done, hit selected and save and new so that we don't have to go back to the page. Doorbell camera. I think doorbell's one word. Yep, doorbell camera. Number is going to be 50, and it will automatically be selected. Next one is interior camera. Number's gonna be 60. Save and new. Home security monitoring. And number is gonna be 70. We're gonna automatically, or actually it's gonna be required. Minimum quantity of 1. This way, every time someone has this home security console, they will get home security monitoring as well. All right, second to last one is home security installation. Number is 80. We're gonna click true for selected. Sales reps can unselect it if they want to. The minimum quantity is 1 because they only need it once, hopefully. Then deterrent window decal. This one's going to be 90. It's our last one. Selected. Minimum quantity is 2, but we're going to have the quantity be editable. All right, let's click save. All right, now we've done adding all the different products to our bundle. We're gonna go to features next. So let's go new feature, sensors. Number is gonna be 10. Minimum options is gonna be 0. We're going to click save and new, and this is a great way to bundle the different features or group the different features together. The next one is going to be cameras, and you'll see how we can group all these things together in just a little bit. Service is our last one. Number is going to be 30. Minimum option 0. Gonna click save. All right, so now we're gonna go down to the options. We're gonna start with the first one. Door sensor is gonna go with the sensors feature. So let's go here under the feature, type in sensors, and it usually pops up after about three letters, excuse me. All right, and do the next for the window sensor. And motion sensor. All right, next we're gonna go down to exterior camera, and this is going to be, you got it, under cameras. And doorbell camera. Interior camera. All right, and we've got 2 more. We're going to click view all. It's going to take us to a list view. And then home security monitoring is the next one. Going to edit, and it's going to go under service. Same for home security installation. We're going to click save. All right, now we're going to test all of this. So let's go to accounts, all accounts. We're going to want the Fernando estate. Being directed to, click the related tab and go to quote number 9 or Q0009. And from here, go to edit lines up here. This one, you might think you want to go to the related, but we're going to go to edit lines. right, so now we're going to add a product to our quote. I'm just going to search for home security. Home security console. We're going to select it. All right, now you see all of the different things we've added to our quote. And the sales reps can unselect and different selections here for the different options that we have and the different columns that we have, like quantity, list price. Sometimes they can do that, but it looks like on here it's locked. But we don't need to do any editing here, so we're going to click save to save this quote. All right, so that's the last step that we have for here. Let's go ahead and check this challenge. All right, so let's go ahead and troubleshoot this. Project features exist with all the following properties. Feature name equals camera, minimum options 1, number equals 20. So let's go ahead and go back to products. Check out our home security console. From here, we know it has something to do with our cameras. So let's go ahead and find cameras, the number field, edit, That's a bummer. That was a little weird. I don't know what happened. Everything was configured properly, but it says this challenge has already been completed. So let's go ahead and refresh it. I think that was a little bit of a bug. So thank you for watching and sticking through with part 1 and part 2 of the Create a Home Security Bundle with Product Rules. It was a little rough, but we got it. Thank you for joining me. Be sure to click subscribe and check out for number 3.